let's sow our cucumbers. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be sowing our cucumbers. It's a bit windy in here, but we're going to be getting them sown as these are to be sown from February. It's now March, so it's a bit warmer. Obviously I've got a non-heated greenhouse, so it should be all right now to start sowing these. And yeah, there's how many seeds is it? 50 seeds in these, so I don't think we need both packets. We might keep one just in case the others don't start germinating or have struggled with growing, because we only want about five plants altogether. So yeah, we'll see what we get on with. Obviously we can give plants away once they get growing and see how they get on. So sit back, relax, and let's get growing. So we're going to sow these seeds in these cell trays, which are absolutely perfect. These had pansies in previously, but yeah, these are ideal because you can put one in each cell tray, and then once they're ready you can just fork them out nice and easy to transplant into bigger pots, so you don't have to disturb them too much when growing, because that's the issue with cucumber. They can be temperamental when you're transferring them to bigger pots, so you have to be careful with that when doing it. So yeah, let's get these seed trays filled up and let's get them planted. So right, let's get these sown. The best thing about these is that I once grew them outside because I'd not got room in my polytunnel, and they grew better outside than they normally do in the polytunnel. So if we've got any spares left over, we'll be planting them outside so that we get lots and lots of cucumbers this year. And they're so delicious, these ones, absolutely gorgeous. If you've not grown the cucumber market more variety before, give them a try. Quite big seeds, so they're easy to handle when planting them out. So we're going to put one in each one, like I said, so that they're easy to transplant once they're big enough into separate pots. So we've got 24 in there altogether. So we've got some spare, so we're going to save them. So now that we've got all those in the cell trays, we're going to cover them with compost and then give them a good watering. So they look perfect like that. Look, pretty good. So there we have it, all of them are full, so it's a case of giving them a good watering so that they start to germinate. So there we are, nicely watered. Then the next trick is our little magic trick, which is cover them with cling film. This will keep them moist, keep them damp until they start germinating, and then we'll take it off and we'll obviously have to water them then until they get big enough to transplant. I use cling film because then I don't need to buy loads of propagators. And obviously the last thing to do is label them up. So there we have it, all labelled up and ready to start germinating in an unheated greenhouse, that is, but they're in a nice sunny spot, so fingers crossed it'll help them germinate. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well our cucumbers get on and how well we harvest them. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.